Hey guys, how to send location in Messenger. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and download the Messenger app and make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to set a location on your Facebook Messenger from chats, tap conversation to open it, and then tap the location icon. You're gonna see it in the plus button next to the camera, and then tap in the bottom right, drag the map drag the map so that the pin is at the location that you would like to send, and then you're gonna be able to share automatically from within the messenger. You don't need to go to Google Maps or Apple Maps so you can try to share a location. You could just share it within the messenger by clicking the plus button on the blank. Once you try to type something or trying to type a message, you're gonna see camera icon, image library icon, and mic icon. You're gonna see on the bottom left, you're gonna see plus button. Click on it, you're gonna see three options: location, poll, and all that. Just go ahead and turn on the location if you haven't already, and then you're gonna be able to pin the location or drag the location that you would like to share to the other person, and then you're gonna be able to share share it right away, forward it as a message. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.